I want to give a big thanks to my big sister. Ming Marie is her name here on Instagram. I'm going to have her tagged in this post. Make sure you guys follow my big sister. This is my first style in 2024. I started my locks in 2019, like September, and I started them by myself by just doing like 2-strand twist and while I was in Jamaica, and I just let them get natty and lock up. And yeah, I never have really styled them myself. I've only like retwisted them, braided them, gone to sleep on it, taken it out the next day and have like a nice little wavy look, or put it in like ponytails and things like that. This is the first time that I have styled my locks, and as you can see, I can't keep my hands out of it. Like, I really love the volume that it has. I love that I could just I feel like a easy breezy beautiful cover girl. I love it so much. My sister was so excited to do it. Like, my friend Aries told me about doing a pipe cleaner style, and then I told my sister about it, and she was like, let's do it, girl. She knew exactly what to do, and yeah, I'm like totally loving it. You guys, look at it. I love it. I love the volume. I love the curls. And yeah, it's inspiring me because I definitely want to do more styles in the future with my locks and just have more creative fun with my hair, the way I express myself. And yeah, if you are in the St. Louis area and you're tired of just your locks looking any kind of way, go to my sister. She's gonna get you together, okay? Like, she's been doing my hair my whole life, okay? Her and my mother are the only two people that have been in my head like that. And I mean, look at it, y'all. It's so cute. I love it. Thanks, big sis, for hooking me up. And I look forward to doing more styles with you. And let me know what you guys think about this. I want to see y'all styles that y'all do in y'all hair. And yeah, like, I might try some little bangy things my friend told me I should try. Oh, hold up, y'all. We might have to do a few little bangy bangs. That would be some cute stuff going on there. Okay. If you like my hair, like this post and share it with your friends and tell everybody you know with locks to try the pipe cleaner curls style. I know I'm late to the game and many of you have probably already tried it, but just let me have my little moment.